How to get Robux in Roblox for free. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So in this video I'm going to be show you guys how you can get Robux and Roblox for free. So there's an way or not. So let's find the way you can get or not for free. So first of all guys, we can open the Robux, and if you have, so then you can go the Robux site and you can't get any option, so like you can get free Robux, but I just want to tell you, so there's no any way to get free Robux in Roblox because Roblox doesn't give any kind of option or other thing like that, so you can pay, then you will take Robux in from Roblox. The other way is that you can get free Robux. You can say your friend or your other person, so he can give you free Robux from Roblox, so you can take from him. And the other way, the legitimate ways to earn Robux: create and sell content, design popular games and virtual items. Roblox will have a subscription that gives you a monthly Robux stipend and bonus on Roblox purchases. So if you want to take Robux monthly, so you just paid subscription, it will give you monthly Robux and stipend on bonus whether you purchase or not. So Roblox affiliate program and contest giveaways, so you can take from giveaways or contest program, enter official Roblox hosted contacts and chance to win Robux or gift cards. So yeah guys, this is how you can get free Robux from Roblox. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.